Oil. It has been called black gold. Without it, life as we know it would cease to exist. But as important as oil is in our lives, there is another vital liquid even more important than oil. Water. Without water, modern petroleum industry would not be able to extract their black gold from the earth. After the extraction process is complete, the water and chemicals that were used are moved to retention ponds. These ponds are poisonous to waterfowl and other animals. From the air, it is difficult to distinguish retention ponds from fresh water. Many birds die a miserable death because of this. But what is the solution to protect millions of birds and other animals? That solution is as simple as a 4-inch ball. Not just one, but as many as it takes to cover the entire water surface. The perfect low-cost environmental solution is Xavier C conservation balls. When inserted in sufficient quantities, conservation balls form a portable floating cover to eliminate 90% of water evaporation and saving thousands of dollars each month. The balls are 4-inch hollow, high-density polyethylene, which are filled with ballast to keep them from blowing away in high winds. Conservation balls effectively hold a disinfection residual across the water, thus requiring less disinfection treatment, preventing algae blooms, and keeping birds off the water surface. Our 90,000 square foot manufacturing facility is ISO 9000 certified, and hollow plastic Xavier C conservation balls are NSF certified, safe for placement in drinking water and city and municipal reservoirs. The facility employs 100 full-time staff members, operating 3 shifts up to 7 days a week to accommodate your production needs and schedule. We are Xavier C LLC, the leader in the manufacturing and implementation of conservation balls. Please give us a call at your earliest convenience. Area code 626-385-8262, or visit us online at www.xaviercllc.com.